So in this VN video editor tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the background color here on VN Video Editor. So here's my video right here. If I wanted to just zoom in a little bit more, so I'll select my clip, I'll zoom in a little bit. The background's black, right? If you wanted to change the background, it's pretty straightforward. Select the clip, go to this bottom bar, slide it to the right to where it says BG. Go ahead and select that. Now for me it's set to black, but if you wanted to go ahead and change it to gray, white, red, you can go ahead and do this. If you wanted to make it a gradient, you can do that as well. You can also make it an image if you want as well, the image background here, but I'm just going to go ahead and just do color right here, and how about I make it pink just like that, and there you go. If you wanted to maybe add this around, or if I were to go ahead and play the video right here, the background color of the video is now pink or whatever I set it to. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit the background color on VN Video Editor. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.